In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to normalize audio for YouTube, which means adjusting your audio to a safe and consistent level before exporting. YouTube automatically processes audio, so it's important not to upload audio that is too loud or clipping. For YouTube, a safe and professional peak level is usually around -1 decibel to -3 decibels. Let's begin. Go to your timeline and select the audio clip you want to normalize. Right-click on the clip and choose Audio Gain. In the window that appears, select Normalize Max Peak to. Now enter a value between -1 decibel and -3 decibels. For most YouTube videos, setting it to -3 decibels is a safe and clean choice. Click OK. Premiere will automatically adjust the gain so the loudest part of your audio reaches that level. Now, play your clip and watch the audio meters. First, make sure the levels are not going into the red zone. If they are, reduce the gain slightly. Keep in mind, normalization adjusts peak levels, not overall loudness balance. For more advanced loudness control, you can use additional tools, but peak normalization is a great starting point for beginners. And that's it. You now know how to normalize audio properly for YouTube in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.